Top 5 critical credit card blunders you're probably making. Hello and welcome back to CreditWise USA, where we empower you to take control of your financial future. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects millions of Americans, credit card usage. But more importantly, we're uncovering the 5 big mistakes you might be making with your credit card. Stay tuned till the end because understanding these could save you from a world of financial strain. Let's get into it. Mistake number 5, ignoring your credit card benefits. Credit cards are not just borrowing tools, they're packed with benefits that can save you money. From complimentary travel insurance, free airport lounge access to extended warranties on purchases, and cashback offers, there's a plethora of perks available. Unfortunately, many cardholders sign up for these benefits but forget to use them, essentially leaving free money on the table. Regularly review your card's benefits and make a plan to use them. This can include activating cashback offers before shopping, or using your card's rental car insurance instead of purchasing it from the rental agency. Mistake number 4, using your credit card for cash advances. When you're in a financial bind, it's tempting to use your credit card at the ATM for a quick cash advance. However, this is a costly mistake. Cash advances come with high fees and interest rates, often higher than those for purchases. And there's no grace period, meaning interest starts accumulating immediately. This can lead to an expensive cycle of debt that's hard to break. Always look for alternatives, such as a short-term loan from a credit union or an emergency savings fund, to avoid this trap. Mistake number 3, applying for too many cards at once. It's understandable to be tempted by the sign-up bonuses or rewards offered by multiple credit cards. However, each application results in a hard inquiry on your credit report, which can lower your credit score. Moreover, having too many cards can make it difficult to manage your finances and increase the temptation to overspend. Lenders might also view this as a sign of financial instability, making it harder for you to get approved for loans or mortgages in the future. It's best to research and apply for cards that meet your specific needs and spending habits one at a time. Mistake number 2, carrying a balance to build credit. A common misconception is that carrying a balance on your credit card and paying interest helps build your credit score. This couldn't be further from the truth. Carrying a balance means you're paying unnecessary interest, and it can actually harm your credit score by increasing your credit utilization ratio. The best way to build credit is to use your card for purchases you can afford and pay off the balance in full each month. This demonstrates to lenders that you can manage debt responsibly without paying a penny in interest. And the number 1 mistake, not paying your bill on time. This might seem obvious, but even a single late payment can significantly impact your credit score. Payment history is the most crucial factor in your credit score calculation, accounting for 35% of your score. Late payments can stay on your credit report for up to 7 years. To avoid this, set up automatic payments for at least the minimum amount due, and ideally, for the full balance. Staying on top of your payments not only protects your credit score, but also saves you from late fees and higher interest rates. There you have it, the 5 big mistakes you might be making with your credit card. At CreditWise USA, we're here to help you navigate the complexities of personal finance with confidence. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more financial wisdom, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Have questions or tips of your own? Leave them in the comments below. Until next time, stay wise and keep your finances in check.